So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Spotify sounds really just like the artist sang it. So let's dive into the video. I'm going to show you few settings that will adjust your music sounds on Spotify. So right here on my Spotify app, just have to click on your profile icon found at the top left corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. So right here, go down below, click on media quality. Looking right here, there are actually a lot of options right here. For the first one, you just have to make sure you click on the toggle close to high. Click on high. Click on the toggle close to high. If you also have a lossless media quality, you need to turn it on as well, so that it's going to help you get the best sounds on Spotify. Having done that, all you have to do is to go back. So right here on the screen, you just have to click on the playback option. Scroll gently, click on equalizer. So right here on this equalizer, you make sure you click on the toggle close to it in order to turn it on. Having done that, click on the drop down here and make sure you click on Appfix booster in order to get the classy sound you need on your Spotify. So guys, that is it on how to get the best settings for your Spotify. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.